The production of each portable power station starts with carefully selected high-quality materials, whether it is the anti-fall and wear-resistant material of the outer shell or the efficient and stable performance of the battery cell. All components are strictly screened to ensure that the product is durable and safe. All parts are precisely assembled in a dust-free workshop, and each step meets international standards. After assembly, the product must pass a number of tests, including charging and discharging efficiency tests, safety tests, and durability tests to ensure that each portable power bank can operate stably. The engineering team carefully designs the internal structure according to the usage scenarios and user needs. Finally, the product is packaged with environmentally friendly materials and comes with detailed instructions for use and after-sales service guarantees to give the user a worry-free experience. From materials to finished products, every detail reflects the pursuit of quality, just to provide you with a reliable and portable mobile power station.